Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, your World Explorer, and today we've got some resilient broccoli that has received pretty much no care, just a little bit of water from time to time. And these ones I like for them to bolt later on when they come to maturity. That way I can collect the seeds from these, because these will be a hardier type of broccoli that can handle pretty extreme conditions when it comes to growing conditions here in Zone 9B of Florida. Anyhow, going forward too, I'd like to mulch underneath the second seed stock planting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously, and stay tuned because I got updates coming. Have a good day.